Alright, in this video I'm going to be doing a packing video of the Aer Travel Pack 3. We're going on a 3-week trip, so I'm going to show you everything that I'm taking with me, as this will be my only bag for the trip. Okay, so the very first thing that I can pack in this bag is my laptop. So the laptop pouch is in this back pouch, and I'm just gonna slide that in the back. This backpack does fit up to a 16-inch laptop. Mine is only a 14-inch, so there's a lot of extra space in there. Okay, next up, I'm gonna start filling up the front tech pouch of the Aer Travel Pack 3. And I got a good amount of stuff to put in here. So first things first is my headphones. I got a power bank. I got my little adapter for my laptop. Got my laptop charger going down in this pouch here. I got my charging block for my phone. A couple extra USB-Cs and also my hard drive. I got a pen for customs forms. Got my little AirFly for in-flight movies. And then also some earplugs. The other thing I'm gonna put in this front pouch is some miscellaneous medications. And lastly, I'm gonna put this adapter that I'm gonna use on the trip. This actually still has a lot of space in it, and I'm keeping it kinda lightly packed because the next pouch, which is the main pocket of the bag, is gonna be packed pretty full with all my clothes and the camera stuff. Actually, before we get to the main pouch, the front pouch, I'm actually gonna put my toiletries in because I don't wanna put my toiletries in with my clothes. So I'm taking 1,000,000 contacts with me, miscellaneous stuff. And then here's my actual liquid bag. Also going in this front pouch. And that pretty much fills up the front pouch. So the reason I kept this pouch kind of empty is because you can see that front pouch where I just put the toiletries kind of took up some of the space in this pouch. So I wanted to make sure that there was that room there. Now on to the main pouch. So here is the main pouch, empty. First thing I want to show you is I'm bringing this bag with me as a day pack, and what it has in here right now is all my camera gear. So I actually have my Sony camera and 2 lenses in there, plus this little air cleaner thing. And I also have some filters. That's all going in there, inside the bag, just like that. Next up, I have all my clothes, and I put my clothes inside these little space bags. I don't know what else to call them. Basically, you put it in there and you can push all the air out, so it kind of takes up less space. I have 6 t-shirts in this bag. I have 2 pairs of pants and 2 pairs of shorts in this bag. And I have 6 pairs of underwear and 6 pairs of socks in this bag. I have my rain jacket, my little day bag, which I'm probably gonna end up wearing on the plane, my belt, and that is everything. You can see I have a lot of stuff in here. Let's see if it shuts. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but I feel like I have a ton of stuff in here. Actually, not too bad. So there we go. Now there are a couple of other pouches. Like this top pouch, you could still put some glasses in here, though the bag is kind of pushing this pouch shut. The laptop pouch, there's still some room in there, honestly. There's this little pouch at the top, and down in the laptop sleeve, there is some room. And then the last thing I want to show you, again, is the tech pouch area. So in the tech pouch area, you can see as the bag fills up, this part starts to get pushed out and everything starts to get really stuck in here. So you can see, like, I have these 2 areas empty. But these areas are really tight now, so really you couldn't put anything in here except something really slim. So I really think that this bag is almost maxed out with what I've been able to fit in here. Now I'm packing for 3 weeks in this bag, so I think I did a pretty good job. The camera stuff might be pushing it a little bit to the limit here, but overall this is a pretty good backpack for traveling long term in just one bag. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this bag, and I'll see you in the next one.